Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can change your photo background with effects with Adobe Photoshop in mobile version. So you just need to open your Photoshop mobile version on your phone. That could be with this application, and right after you open it, you need to create a new project. So tap into this photo editor. The next, you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit right here. Let's say we want to edit this with a new background, so you just need to go take a look on this bottom sections and swipe it to the left side until you found a combine. And the next, you just need to tap into this cap out, and then you just need to wait until the information is coming up, and then just tap confirm. And then you just need to wait until the application selecting for the object of the photo, and then tap into the subject here, and then you already got this type of a look. And the next, if you want to remove the background, tap into this background here, and if you want to have the effects for the background, they could be in the pattern side, so you just need to load. And the next thing you need to do is just go pick one of these effects of the background, and now you're done. So you get the new background easily on your picture right now. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.